Hello and good evening, everybody. I was just going to do an experiment tonight. Excuse me. um, I've just been dying to paint. I really have. And I have to hurry up and sleep fast because I have to get up really early. And I just came up with some idea. I just painted over this to try something and that went to kaput. But anyways, I'm going to be using Perusian blue, hot pink, titanium white, and teal mint. Yeah, I think that's all of the colors. And I thought, because I like to pour onto objects and then on that drip down onto a canvas. And I thought of taking, like how you would a flip cup, and put it. Oh, wait. No, that's fine. And put it on top of the canvas, like so. And then take a little doohickey thing that I used for Christmas, not the rubber band though. Well, part of it. Put it up there. And then take this cup that I used the colors that I said and pour over it. I mean, why not? Sorry about the camera. Alright, let's see. Let's see what that would do. Because I really like the effects from pouring on an object. And I've noticed that when adding the titanium white with the teal mint, because I can tell, sorry, that the color just turned to like gray, but that's okay. But I was just thinking of just doing like whatever kind of squiggly designs. But I just want to say thank you very much to everybody for showing support. And yeah, this would look like mud to me, but it's just kind of like a little experiment, so I guess we'll see together. This side does not have pink, but that's okay. Yeah, I like pouring from objects because, again, it makes those cool like designs. If I take like my little instrument and maybe pull some paint, you know, maybe manipulate the design. Nah, you know what? It's just gonna pour right off anyway. Alright, let's take this. I think we're done. And I kind of forgot that I have to grab this. Remember? Because there's paint in here, like a flip cup. Wonder if I should tilt this off? I don't know. Now I'm confused. Alright, let's have at it. Wow. Alright. And I'm kind of, I wouldn't say upset, but my torch doesn't work. But that's looking cool already, huh? So if I bring you in. Oh, not without it looking funny. Alright. I like it. And I have my dishwasher going. Oops. Alright, let's see what we could do with this. We'll call this, if it looks decent, how about flip a ring? Yeah. Let's go this way. Just had one of those nights where I'm like, you know, I really need to go to bed, but I also like really need to paint. So this is just a very random video. And I have got to fix my camera. Hold on, I'm gonna pause you guys. Alright, let's see if that helps any. Sorry about that. Alright. Hey, I'm liking it. I'm gonna lose a lot of like the ring, but it was an experiment. Maybe we could save it. Like with me holding my hand there or something. I don't know. Ooh, it kind of looks like a butterfly. What do you think? Yeah. I kind of just want to... Here, I'll bring it this way. Kind of just want to like shimmy this so that it doesn't get lost. See how we just do that? Wonder if it'll still get lost. I like that. Maybe I'll just hold it and bring it back like I did that other corner. Hold on. We're in transition. Alright. Huh. Yeah. That looks like a butterfly to me. It does. Like the wings right there. Alright, pause you real quick. Alrighty. I like it. See if I can bring you in without making you dizzy. There we go. How about that? Yeah. That is really cool. See all these coming up? That's nice. I would use my torch, but I don't want it spotty. You know, like the little specks that come up, like come through, like with whatever the base is or whatnot. But yeah, I really like that. Let's call that flip-a-ring. We will call this the flip-a-ring. And we will experiment more with it. Let's bring it down and take a look. I feel like I haven't been able to create any cells or anything lately. Wasn't getting discouraged, but was definitely feeling some type of way about that. But getting there. I really like that too. I hope this is in focus. But yeah. Just reminds me of butterfly. Or like a little fairy in the body. Beautiful. Alright, well I said I had to sleep fast, so hope y'all have a good night and a good day, good afternoon. Take care. Thanks for watching.